sometimes the meaning of words in English versus mathematics are a little bit different, but in this case, they're not really that far off. We have this one word, dependent, which in English means, you're literally depending on something, you're relying on something, it affects you. Whereas independent, in English, we would think of this as having more freedom to make your own decisions. And it kind of works the same way in mathematics. So when I say there's a dependent variable, what I mean is that variable depends on other things, whereas an independent variable has a lot more freedom. So let's focus on an aspect of this problem that is right here at the start. We have q of p comma s. So I'm going to write that the following way. Q is a function of p and s. Okay, so P is, let's see, P is the outdoor temperature, and S is the number of hours of math homework. These sound like great things. And Q is the rate of mono. So from this statement, we think there's some kind of a connection between these. Maybe the outdoor temperature or the amount of homework students have affects their behavior in some way, and that contributes to mono. But it certainly can't be said the other way around, right? It doesn't matter how many cases of mono there are, that's not going to affect the weather. Okay, so I put the variables that clearly have no care in the world about anything else as independent variables, right? That's going to be the outdoor temperature, doesn't care about anything. Math homework, clearly math teachers have no feelings, right? They're not going to respond to whether you're sick or anything. Whereas the number of mono cases, now those depend on something, right? They are a function of these independent variables. So that's the long way of saying it. Here's a quick way to look at it. If I have a function written this way, it's always the case that independent variables go inside the parentheses and dependent variables go outside.